Hello, and today on this portfolio I'll be teaching you guys how to solve proofs. And this one, it's just a line that has 3 points, A, B, and C. And we are given AC equals AB plus AB. Okay. So we see that we have to prove that AB is equal to BC. So let's just start off. We see AC equals AB plus AB. That is given because it's up here. And we have to find out how they went from AC equals AB to plus AB to AB plus BC equals AC. And this is the segment addition postulate. Because the segment addition postulate states that if we are given 2 points on a line segment, such as A and C, a third point B lies in the line segment AC if and only if the distances between the points meet the required requirements of the equation AB plus BC equals AC. So I'm spelling this wrong. Okay. And next we want to find how we went from here to here. And this is the transitive property, because we know that the transitive property states that if A equals B, B equals C, then we know this A equals C. So if AB plus AB equals AB plus, and that's supposed to be plus BC, then they're going to equal each other. I can't type. Fix that later. Okay, and finally, it's just subtraction, so we would write subtraction, because that's just all you're doing. And yeah, we've solved our first proof.